guys, and welcome to my channel. Those who are here, thank you so much. To my new subscribers, a warm welcome and thank you so much for joining me. Today guys, we will be making scalloped potatoes my way. It is simple, easy, and super delicious. Guys, I am telling you, very delicious, and this is a recipe you guys must try. Alright, so if you're ready, let's get started. To my potato, I would have already washed and dried my potatoes, and I'm drizzling some oil right over the top. So here I'm rubbing the oil all over, and I'll be placing this in my microwave for 15 minutes. Halfway through, I will turn the potatoes and then I'll add a wet paper towel right over and then remove after 15 minutes. And there it is. It is not too hard and it's not too soft, just the right texture. You can see it's really hot. Yep, Griff Cookout skills, that is piping hot. All right, so you guys do not try that at home, okay? Make sure the potatoes are cool before you handle them. So now we place that aside, and now we'll be making our sauce, our cheese sauce. So I just melted some butter and I'm adding some flour, and here we'll be making a roux. Make sure to whisk that well. I usually test the flour to make sure there isn't any grain, so we can have a really nice, creamy, cheesy cheese sauce. All right, keep whisking so you will not form any lumps or the cheese sauce will be lumpy. So keep whisking as you pour the milk. So here guys, I am using 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of half and half. Now I'll be adding some smoked paprika. Continue to whisk. I already add some chicken bouillon and some white pepper, and I did add some parsley. Now I'm going in with my cheddar cheese, some black pepper, and I'll whisk that. Make sure to taste your sauce, guys. Make sure it is to your likeness. This is a really delicious sauce. Look at the consistency. So now I'm slicing my potatoes. I've already microwaved. Guys, I do not like slicing the raw potatoes and putting it with the sauce. Yes, but this is just my version. All right, that way I'll make sure my potatoes are cooked all the way through. So now I'll be doing a little twist here. I'm adding some sauteed onion to my pan, some garlic, and I'll mix that well. Make sure everything is nice and infused. I also will be adding some chili onion crunch, and that is optional, and some chili oil, not too much. Now I'll go in with my potatoes I would have sliced. Gently fold the mixture in with the potatoes. Make sure everything is nice and coated, and remove from stove. Now I'm laying the first batch of the potatoes at the bottom, and I'm pouring a little bit of that sauce right over. Oh, look at that, guys. The smell is amazing, yet nothing compared to the flavor in this scalloped potatoes. I'm adding a little bit of cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. So the rest of the potatoes, I'll be adding some more of the cheese sauce. Mix everything well. Make sure to get all the flavor out of the pot with the onions and the garlic. Oh my goodness. You guys are in for a treat, I'm telling you. Now we add the rest of the potatoes in the Pyrex dish, and now we layer it with some cheese. I'm using freshly grated Parmesan, and the rest of my cheese is just cheddar. You guys can choose any cheese of your preference. And I'm sprinkling some dry parsley right over the top. OMG. Did somebody say amazing? Yup, amazing. So guys, this is our scalloped potato, our creamy, cheesy, delicious scalloped potato. This is a must-try recipe, guys. If you do, let me know how yours turned out. If you do yours a different way, you can also let me know how you do yours. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you will not miss any of my delicious recipe. Those who are here, thank you so much. Guys, and I must say, the crunch, the creamy, the cheesiness of this flavor bomb scalloped potato is out of this world. You guys must give this recipe a try. And if you do, please let me know how yours turned out. Do enjoy. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Bye-bye.